So I don't know if you noticed, but on TradingView at the bottom, you can link any brokerage. You can, if you have any Apex accounts, you can trade Apex funded accounts on TradingView. I've done that in the past, and it'll basically look like this right here. If I drag this up, you can see all this, but then the chart gets small. So I'm gonna drag this back down. At this point, all I do is press trade, and you can see it down low. It'll show your orders, but I'll press trade, and then a window comes up on the side. And this is how you trade on TradingView, and this is what you'll want to do every time you place a trade. So let's say you're going to go place a buy. You could have it on market or limit, whatever you're going to do. But I make sure, no matter what, every single trade has a take profit on it, and every single trade has a stop loss on it, predefined. And then I drag it around and move it around, but at least always have it on the screen. This is honestly the first step to becoming a profitable trader, because if you don't have a stop loss when you place a trade, then there's a high probability that when the trade goes against you and it goes to your theoretical stop loss, you don't actually close the position and you let it drag down. You say, oh, I think it's going to come back later. Never comes back later and blows your entire account. So just get into the habit of always having a stop loss on, always having a take profit on. Once you click those checked on, then you can set the amount of ticks. So 1 tick is 1/4 of a point on NASDAQ. Same thing on ES, 1 tick is 1/4 of a point. So 4 ticks is 1 point. I'd always just kind of do 60 and 60 by default. So that just means that I have a 15-point take profit, 15-point stop loss. And then I'll usually use the bid or the ask. You could do +1 or just the bid or the ask. That's for another video, but all I'm saying is we want to make sure we always have take profit, stop loss whenever we place a trade. So that's how we press buy, right? Instantly orders placed, and then you can see the stop loss and you can see the take profit.